Hey, what's up everybody? Now before we go on to the next module, which in my opinion is going to be the most valuable module of this entire course, and I'm going to show you exactly how I make YouTube channels go viral from scratch. Before we go on to that module, I wanted to give you this list of 100 different profitable YouTube niches, plus a list of example channels in a bunch of those niches. I wanted to give you this document. You'll see the document attached right below this video. And the purpose of this document is really to just give you guys as many ideas of YouTube niches as I possibly can, because there might be some niches that you'd be extremely passionate in if you made videos in these niches that you didn't even think of. So I try to think for a long time. It took me a long time to make this list, and I would just add to it every little chance that I've gotten. I've actually been working on this list for over 2 months now. So here it is, the list of 100 different profitable YouTube niches plus examples. And like I said, you'll find that document available for download right below this video. So here is what the document looks like, and as you guys can see, I've actually split it up into the different categories right here. So I have a list of list channel niches, so these are your outsourceable channels right here. And then I also have a bunch of different personal brand niches, and I have other niches that don't really fit into either list or personal brand channels. And like I said, this document is available for download directly under this video that you guys are watching right now. There should also be this document as well, the profitable YouTube niches example channels. So I got a ton of different example channels in all of these different niches and attached them to this document so you guys can see that as well. So like I said, those are both available for download directly under this video. And I'm also going to be updating this list fairly often, and I'll put updates when I do update this list within the Facebook group, so you guys will be alerted. Every time I think of new niches or I find really good example channels to share with you guys, I'll add them to these documents. I hope it helps you. Like, you'll be able to look at this niche and then narrow down like maybe 10 ideas that you're super interested in, and then you'll do market research to see which of those ideas is the absolute best. And like I said, we're going to be covering that really in depth in the next module here, so you can be sure that you chose a good niche, and you can be sure that you are ready to start uploading videos and everything's going to be optimized the best it possibly can be. In the next module, I'm going to show you exactly how I take channels from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year. And obviously I can't guarantee those results for you, but the strategies I'm going to show you in the next module are exactly how I did that on one of my channels. Without further ado, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next module.